Operation Roofing Man is a charity we've set up in Barnsley to help our community. What can't afford building works, what have been through something traumatic, whether they're disabled, poorly children, where we can renovate the gardens, anything. It's not just roofing, it's a wide range, a vast range of what we do, and we've got different tradesmen involved. There's a lot of bad stuff going off at world at the minute, and you know, too much bad news, so we like to hear a bit of good news and just spread good things, spread a good message. Obviously there's the youngsters watching the social medias and stuff, so it sets a good example to them as well. I'd like it to be a bit bigger, to be honest with you, and the direction it's going at the minute, I can feel that happening already. We get phone calls on people that need us help, and if they fit a certain criteria, we'll go out and assess the job, and then what we do is we all have a meeting, get together, and then we all select a date, and then we all make that day happen. We've got a job booked in for an elderly gentleman, 93 years old, who's got terminal lung cancer, who wants to live the rest of his days out in his bungalow. His roof's leaking due to vandals throwing rocks at his roof. He lives at bottom of a quarry, and the kids have been throwing the rocks onto his slate roof, so as you can imagine, it would have made quite a noise and stuff, and he'd have been terrified. So basically, we've got the team together. I've been out and assessed the job. The job's booked in for the 15th. Us guys are going to come in, the Operation Roofing Man team are going to come in, and we're doing this work for free, so this gentleman can live the rest of his days out in this bungalow. It's life-changing for him. Like I say, if they're poorly, it just takes one less problem away from the mind. If anybody would like to help out, we'd be forever grateful. It's the Operation Roofing Man. This is the logo. You'll see it on tubs, charity tubs in the Barnsley area, in local shops. For example, local building merchants, and if you do see these tubs, even if it's 20p, 50p, it doesn't matter. It all contributes to a good cause. There's no CEOs involved. That money goes directly straight to the people that need it.